subscribers around the globe. This particular bed, if you did not watch the last video I made about corn, about planting my corn, please do well to go and watch that video. This particular space you're seeing here, this particular heat down is very extreme. I planted corn, but from my research, it's supposed to take 4 days, max 5 days, for them to start sprouting. But today is 4 days. I'm not actually saying it's exactly 5 days, but this is 4 days. There are no even signs of anything. There are no signs of life. It is not coming out. Abi the corn seedlings, they are not good ones. Abi I don't know. Abi this time around, yeah, they did not make it. I don't know, because I'm supposed to see some sign of life. You understand? At least let it just be some sign of life. Let it be so okay, something is coming. But I'm not seeing anything. You understand? I'm not seeing nothing. And it is actually a concern. So I don't know. 4 days, maximum 5 days. It is the day appointed for them to start sprouting. Maximum 5 days. So but today is the 4th day. Tomorrow is making it the 5th day. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Don't play. You don't understand? I'll still bring you guys the live update if they eventually start sprouting. You don't understand? I'll still bring you guys the update. Don't play. Don't play, please. This is Farm with E&J, and here in Farm with E&J, we educate us in as much as we do some practicals. We do the objective and we also do the practical here in this farm. So we are yet to see the corn, the maize seedlings sprouting, but we have not. This is exactly 4 days. These things were planted on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Friday, and it is not showing any sign of life. So hopefully tomorrow is Saturday. I'll still bring you guys a video to be sure that this guy started sprouting. And this other side, if you look at it, this other side here, I put some, how is it called, okra seedlings. And to my amazement, okay, I think we have one. Abi, she might they pay me. Now let me also show us a particular place which we have planted our how is it called, onions. How is it called, our okra seedling. This other way, but I'm not still seeing anything. Abi, there's still no sign of life here too. This one is more than 1 week. I don't know how many days it takes for okra to start sprouting. But I can tell that this is not okra seedlings. Let me see. I don't think this is okra seedlings. This is no okra seedlings at all. Because I don't know, they are supposed to start sprouting. Though I planted those ones before I planted this one, and they are supposed to start sprouting. So please, if you know how many days it takes for the okra seedling to start sprouting, please in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel and share this video. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.